Today, coronavirus deaths and hospitalizations continue to go up as we reach a high number of new cases. Today, Georgia's new COVID-19 cases went up by 3,300 to reach more than 123,000 cases and 3,054 deaths since the pandemic started. Today's numbers mark the sixth largest increase in the state of Georgia so far. Today, Georgia's new cases continues to be a hot spot. There are some places of note. Gwinnett County continues to have the highest number of COVID-19 cases. Since the time in mid-June, today the county reached 11,882 cases, up 191 new cases since yesterday. They now have 187 total deaths. Fulton County is also leading Georgia in cases after seeing a sharp increase in its number since yesterday. Fulton added another 274 new cases. That puts Fulton at more than 11,000 cases so far.